Well, the term gateway drug came about, I think in the 60s or the 70s when we were talking about marijuana. Marijuana is a gateway drug. I think anything can be a gateway drug. I think what we find now is that, the drug abuse it comes fast, and there's really not a gateway. It's very accessible. Prescription pills, narcotics, things you huff, are very more readily available than cigarettes or alcohol for kids. So when you think about a gateway, the gateway is the stuff that you don't want them to, end up with. And that's the stuff, kids are starting with today because it's more accessible than anything else.